Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? I hope all are following all the respective COVID protocols and are staying safe and healthy at home. So, as you see, today's topic is about how to write theory answers in exams, especially in IPCC and CA final exams. What I have seen is many students struggle with writing theory answers, and especially when it comes to writing audit and law, or even to a certain extent, income tax answers, students struggle big time. So, today I'm going to share with you some tips and strategies on how you can approach a theory answer and what structure you can use to write. So, first thing is, let's say you have one question on audit, maybe related to a particular standard on audit. And first step is you need to write quick facts about the question. Ki whatever important things have been mentioned, it may be related to the any specific policy of a company, or any particular question or thing which is relevant to exactly finding your answer. So do that, find some relevant facts of the question. Second is write which index is which index or maybe the provision or rule or case study is applicable in that case, and why it is applicable. You need to write that. Third is interconnecting. Third step is writing what the exactly the provision or case study or rule or standard is, elaborating in detail. Then fourth would be interconnecting both the theory, what is given in the theory, and how it is relevant to the question asked in the exam, and you need to show how this theory is applicable in this, how it's interrelated. You need to elaborate on it. Then fifth point would be, if at all any calculations are involved. Say for example, one sum is there from accounts where you have to find the impairment loss. So when you are done with all these steps, you can show the calculation, show the relevant assumptions and notes, if any, during that time. And sixth, last part would be the end result and conclusion. What do you conclude basis your calculation and your analysis? So here is another important thing, especially when it comes to audit. Whenever you do all these steps and when you have to conclude, don't forget to mention the impact on audit opinion, if any. For example, there is a particular question related to maybe going concern, or understanding entity and its environment, any given essay. So what impact would that have on audit opinion? Whether on its violation, or when it's not followed, then what would be the impact on audit opinion, if any, you have to mention. And if CA or the auditor fails to take that into consideration, under what clause would he be guilty under professional ethics? So you need to connect these two things: the theory, the impact on opinion, and the professional ethics part. What is the applicable schedule, or what is the applicable clause in if he violates? So I hope you must have got a fair bit of idea of how to write theory answers. And see, ultimately, practical always would be a bit high scoring than theory. Even if you write entirely whatever is applicable, whatever the structure is, still practical is definitely a bit more scoring. So when you prepare for exams, do check how strong your practicals are, and how efficiently you have prepared for the practical subjects as well, because those would be the ones which you would majority, which the chunk of your marks would majority come from the sums. So okay, that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. Do stay tuned, share among maximum people possible, so that they would definitely help, it would definitely help them. And stay subscribed. Goodbye, take care, all the best. Thank you.